Hola amigos, we are The Roots. In this vlog, we are sharing with you the ups and downs of our mission to travel and experience as much from life as possible. Please join us on this our journey. So, Mr. Root, what are we doing now?
On today's episode, we're putting the house back together. Between building a bunker, hold on. I mean an office, because she is kind of crazy that way. We did all the framing, tiling, and boy, have we had our hands full.
Hi, how you doing? The Traveling Roots here again with a quick update on our house. Well, we're finally starting to put it together. Let me show you. Let me flip this around so you can see what's going on. Come on, flip it. Okay, there you are. So this is the living room, as you can see, fully tiled already and grouted. Finally, had taken a while. The guest bedroom also fully tiled, the floor at least. The cement board is in place, just need to tile it. Drywall still needs to get done. Some framing, still needs to happen in here. But for the most part, these spaces are ready to be finished. Now, today is Sunday, yesterday, Saturday, we work with the kids on tiling the kitchen, which is for the most part done. We still have to follow it to the dining, but that's gonna be during the week. We flooded also this leveler in this space where there's the laundry, so it's ready to be tiled as well. For the most part, it's at the same level of the floor, so it's just a continuation in there. We'll be cutting tiles today to fit this space and make the transition in here, and then cut that. For the most part, cut all these pieces, so they're ready to be tiled when I'm ready. Today I will be grouting this space so we can drywall the walls. Also, let me show you. Yesterday Brian worked on my office. He basically put the waterproofing outside, all around. As you can see, I hope you can see. So there, the waterproofing. He ran out of staplers, so he couldn't finish. But I guess he's gonna work on that tomorrow or Tuesday. He also worked with the kids on all the insulation, so all the insulation in this room is done. We're leaving that one open because that's the main feed of electricity, and we still need to run data from that perforation to somewhere in there. But for the most part, insulation is over, and he also worked on the drywall of the ceiling, which is pretty much done. But the installation still needs to be tape and mask and all that stuff. He also did the perforation for the AC. So progress. So now today I'm gonna be grouting that space. Yay. Haha, so exciting. Ha! Not really. We'll keep you updated. Ciao.
Thank you for hanging out with us today. Please give us a big thumbs up. Consider subscribing if you haven't done so yet. And until next time, hasta luego, amigos.